Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk about the budget. Today, this video is being shot on 19th January. So maybe another 10-12 days are there for budget. So first thing is that, I may be wrong, but I'll tell you what actually happens, right? Even before the budget, some media will be coming out with some a news article, this tax is likely to be reduced, and they are discussing this. This is a source-based information, right? So the person who gave us this information is not authorized to speak, Then we think, oh, these media channels have got some influence, working with the Ministry of Finance, without the finance minister's consent or without top boss's consent, they are leaking the information, right? So that's how these news channels are getting the news. But let me tell you, that is totally wrong, right? What will happen, okay, the finance ministry wanted to give some information to the public, but instead of giving the information directly, so they give like this. So they call some media channels, they'll say as if one of the officers is leaking the news, so they will do it. So they will do it intentionally, right? Okay, now, why should they do it intentionally? The next question comes. I'll give you this example, right? The stock market keeps falling, right? So that's definitely a concern. If the market falls beyond a level, that will start affecting the economy. Right? So stock market is a place, where people can raise the funds, they can create more employment, so vibrant economy needs a vibrant stock market. Now, so why markets are falling? Because FIIs keep on selling. So if these FIIs keep on selling, if the markets keep on falling, so definitely at some point of time, the economy will be in trouble. So they are trying to stabilize the market. How? We are saying no, some good things are coming into in the budget, okay? But they don't announce directly because they cannot announce, because the budget is on February 1. How can they announce, right? So they give this kind of information to the media, and the media come out with source-based information, this and that. In the past also, many times this has happened, but actually on the budget day, nothing will happen, right? Then the media will say, no, this is source-based information. So, that did not materialize. You can't blame the media channels, right? Okay. So I'll tell you, this may be a conspiracy theory, now the finance ministry feels that, the markets are falling. The markets are so much falling. The GDP data came much lower than last year. Last year it was 8.2%, this time 6.4%. Rural demand keeps going down. The economy is going to a gloomy picture, and because of that, FIIs keep on selling, right? So they want to stabilize the market, right? So what they will do? They will give this kind of a source-based information, right? Okay. Assume that, market recovers, right? Market become normal before February 1. Okay. So they may not even do what they gave as a source-based information, right? And then, the market has recovered. If the market has not recovered, right? So probably they will be doing what they told. I'll give you an analogy, a simple analogy, right? So one child is crying and continuously crying, right? Okay, now I go and tell the child, okay, see, you stop crying. I already ordered chocolate. Okay, see, I can order in front of you. Okay, I call you, ordered some chocolate. It will come in 1 hour time. So better stop crying. If the child stops crying, okay, then my objective is met. Then I can go to the next room. I can call the shopkeeper, say no need to supply the chocolate, right? The child has already stopped crying. But if the child continues to cry, for the next 1 hour. Then the chocolate will come. I told you, why are you crying? I told you I've already ordered the chocolate. Now the chocolate has come. Okay, I'll give you the chocolate. Better stop crying. Right? So the same way, now the stock market has fallen so much. It has fallen so much, FIIs have sold for more than 3 lakh crore last year. On top of which another 50,000 crore this month. So taking a total selling in the last 13 months to 3.5 lakh crore is one of the highest selling in the history of stock market. So definitely stock market is crying. Right? Now what the finance ministry says, giving the information to you that chocolate has been ordered and February 1 the chocolate will be delivered. So better stop crying. Let me tell you, if the stock market stop crying, if the stock market recovers, and February 1 they will not do anything. Why? Because their objective is met. If the stock market continues to cry until February 1, then they will just deliver. Right? Whatever they said, they will deliver. See, I told you, I have ordered the chocolate. Now I'm delivering the chocolate. Okay, right. So let us see what are those source-based information now. Okay, I'll take you to the computer. Now look at this. So there is a Reuters international website. India considers cutting proposal income tax to lift consumption. How come these people get the information? Right, what they do. Well, the budget preparation happens and nobody is allowed to leave that place. Right? Okay. So this one. Then again another thing. You can see here in CNBC website. Income tax cuts likely in budget 2025 to spur the consumption. Sources. This is a source. Right? Okay. Now look here. As the union budget approaches, expectations are growing that the government may extend the personal tax relief according to sources, boost the consumption and accelerate economic recovery. The government is actively considering personal income tax, which could be unveiled in the budget. Right? Okay. Now, again, further see, somewhere they would have written that, the actual decision will be taken only 3 to 4 days before the budget. If the actual decision taken 3 to 4 days before the budget, how come these people are getting 10 to 15 days before the budget? Right? That I read somewhere. So maybe not in this article, some other article. So then they say, that 20% tax bracket can be increased from 12 lakhs to 18 lakhs. And then, the 75,000 standard deduction may be increased, So they give all kinds of concessional things. Not only that, you see, also read, India must reintroducing concessional corporate tax of 18%. Now the corporate tax is 22%. Right? If your profit is less than 1 crore, more than 1 crore profit is 25%. Now they are planning to introduce a corporate tax of 18% for new manufacturing units. Right? So that article is here. India must reintroducing concessional corporate tax 18% for. So like this, they come out with so many source-based information. Many media channels come. So as I told you, so those sources are giving this kind of news intentionally, right? So my opinion is that, okay, finance ministry is seriously planning to do something good, right? But now that stock market is still crying, I hope that the stock market will continue to cry until February 1, so that, finance ministry will not change the mind. Okay, so they will do something good. So last year, I criticized the budget was the worst budget, with respect to the stock market. A long-term capital gain tax increased, short-term capital gain tax increased, STT increased, for many investments, indexation benefit was taken out. So overall, last year budget was the worst budget. But this year, stock market is crying. So definitely, the finance ministry will be giving chocolate. But what kind of chocolate, right? So whether they're going to give one small chocolate or maybe, like milk biggies, some bigger chocolate. So that we will have to wait for February 1. But definitely, I'm my gut feeling says that, definitely this time Finance Ministry is planning to do something good. So we will discuss once again after the budget. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.